All right, on initial Greenbelt challenge, let's begin by listening to what it should sound like. Okay, let's look at some of the new characteristics of this piece. Got quite a few. First, we've got the 3/4, which means we'll hear 3 clicks and then it'll begin to play, as well as there are 3 beats in each measure. Second, we come across this word fine. Looks like fine, it's pronounced fine. And we have DC al fine. Fine means end. DC means to the beginning, to the top, and stop at the finish. Okay, so DC, de capo al fine. Go back to the beginning and stop when you come to the word fine. Let's take another listen to that again. Okay, so now when we play, let's sing this along, and at the same time, let's put down the correct fingerings on the recorder. So we're going to sing and place the correct B and A at the correct times. Practice that 2 times. Ready? B, A, B, 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 A, B. B, 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 A, B, 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 A, B. Okay, let's try to play that along. And let's do that one more time. I did mess up because I forgot that we had already gone one time through. Let's try that one more time through for me so I can get that correct. Remember, we go back to the beginning and we stop at the fine.